Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to see who stalks your Instagram. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS. Then we will open up our profile here. Okay, so on Instagram here, basically we don't have the actual option to see that who basically visits our profile like we have on TikTok. Okay, so on Instagram we don't have this. Okay, so for this, what you're gonna have to do that you have to upload a couple of different stories for a bunch of days. Okay, and then when people will basically see your story, and if you find something strange there, if you find anyone there that is not added with you on Instagram, but he or she keeps visiting all of your stories, all of your posts. You can check the notifications if there is a strange account, okay, with no profile picture on it, okay, and they are basically giving the likes you on your every new post, and whenever you basically upload a new story, they see it. Okay, so you have to basically get idea from here. You have to take the idea from here that this might be the account that is basically stalking your Instagram account. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.